Bonjour and welcome to 600 Rue Jean-Talon East. Inside here, we have a little over 14,000 square feet available for lease. We're gonna go take a look at that right now. But first, you have to know that this building is situated in a great spot of Montreal. We have the metro access right over here. We have the access to the blue line and to the orange line. And for foot traffic, there's about 5 million people that use that metro per year. Let's go inside and take a look. So let's tour the inside of this property now. Let's take a look at some of the tenants we already have and the spaces available. We have Couche-Tard over on this side, we have RBC, and we have Bell Canada here as well. Bell has 1,000 employees who are here day to day, which is great for the foot traffic in the lobby of this building. As well, we have 24/7 security available for you. For this property, we have photos taken, we've had CAD drawings done, we have an iGuide available as well. The link will be in the description below. Please take a look at that so you can see all the square footage that we have available for you. You have access directly to the metro. The metro down here sees approximately 5 million passengers per year. So if you're going to be renting space up here, that's a lot of foot traffic that's going to be walking past your business. A unique feature that this property has is this 14-foot garage door. Get you access right over here to the loading dock. And from there, you can get to the freight elevator and move your merchandise around the building. To open up any of the doors in this building, you need the fob. Directly from the loading dock area, gets us right over towards the freight elevator. Right now, we're situated in SS2. We're about 18 meters below the street level. This area that we have here is a little over 6,500 square feet. What you can put here, it's up to you. It'd be great for any kind of server room.